So using a microscope fitting, we can look down a microscope with the camera, like so. Down there.
So in art, you learn how to shade, which you normally do in like year 7 or year 8. So here's your light source. And then Miss would normally draw a circle on the board, and she would normally say that this part here has to be the darkest and it has to get lighter. But as you can see, using a whiteboard marker, this doesn't really work. But using this new Epson contraption, you can also show the shading. So getting darker and then getting lighter. Mind you, this is the quick version. And because it's a camera, you can smudge it too. And you can draw the shadow going down to there. And there you have it.
Ready, go.
Today we will be adding non-perpendicular vector components. So the first example that we're going to do is a 2 vector components. The first one goes 3 meters east, and the second one then goes 4 meters southeast. Okay, so we're going to start to drawing them to scale. First we need a scale. So our scale is 1 meter equals, no, 3 meters equals 1 centimeter. So then you draw 3 centimeters. To the east, and then these vectors are 135 degrees difference. So then you get your protractor. Where's your protractor go? And you go like this, making sure that you line up all of the lines. Go 135. This line here needs to be 4 centimeters. You're still watching. So then, going back along this way, we find half of 130, which is about 67, which is there. So drawing a line this way, then we line these up. Arrows in. So this angle here equals 135 degrees. This one equals 68 degrees. So the vector is 3 meters because this here equals 3, and the degrees is 68. Now this is to scale, which looks way better than what Mrs. Delaney drew on the board.